Just realized how fucking wild and out there this dish is just now. That's fucking amazing. This is called a cucuzza. It's a Sicilian gourd squash derivative vegetable. I saw this vegetable at the farmer's market this morning, and I remembered a dish that I used to eat when I was living in London with one of my best friends in the UK, Kieran. We used to go to a restaurant, a Sichuan restaurant, and we would eat this dish called Fish-Fragrant Aubergine. It was one of my favorite dishes of all time. So I thought I would do a derivative of that dish with this vegetable. This isn't gonna be the most traditional recipe, but it's gonna kind of be what I wanna do. Get some chicken stock into a hot pan, black vinegar in, soy sauce, and cornstarch. I'm just gonna whisk that cornstarch in. I've also got this pan of oil getting hot. That's gonna start to boil, it's gonna start to thicken, which is what we want. In the meantime, I've got garlic and ginger that I'm just gonna get ready. Ginger, just scrape down with a spoon. Garlic, chop that garlic up nice and fine. Got my oil on the stove getting hot, trying to get it to about 375 degrees. All right, I'm also gonna put some honey in there. So our sauce is getting thicker, that's what we want. I'm gonna go in with a nice tablespoon of fermented chili paste. I have crunchy Sichuan chili. I'm gonna go in with 2 spoons of that. Really, really, really good. Okay, now fresh garlic, turn the pan off, fresh ginger. And that's just gonna brighten everything up. Whisk in that garlic and the ginger, and that's your sauce, that's your base. It is so good, super balanced. Now what I'm gonna do is just put that to the side for now, because I'm gonna use it in a second. Now this is where if you have a wok, you should use a wok, but I don't have a wok, so we're gonna make do without it. Got my oil getting hot, okay, it's probably reaching about 350, 375. With this big vegetable, the big intimidating looking vegetable, cut it down. I would say like that, that's all I probably need. I wanna peel it, because the skin on this vegetable is quite tough. So just peel it down. And I kind of want like wedges, like this. That's what I'm looking for. There's probably some Italians watching me doing this going like, ma fa culo. What is he doing with that? Those can go in. If you want, you can bake these in the oven too. They'll just not be as delicious. Deep fry. Give them some flavor. Beautiful spring onion. As soon as the cucuzza is ready, it has some nice golden brown color on it. I'm gonna scoop it out and saute it and cook it in that sauce so the sauce gets glazy and starts sticking to the vegetable. Okay, it's starting to get nice and crispy. Straight into the sauce. Spring onion. Get it all involved. Beautiful, glazed up in the pan, right? Straight out of the oil into the pan with the sauce, and you just go straight on the plate. Literally, just like that. This is so good with just plain steamed rice. Unbelievable. Blow your balls clean off. Spicy, sweet, salty, everything you want. Little coriander. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Fish-Fragrant Cucuzza, inspired by Fish-Fragrant Aubergine, Sichuan dish, all right, with Sicilian vegetable. Very nice. I'm very happy with how it turned out. It's the first time I've actually made this with this vegetable. Guys, if you like this recipe, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments. Really helps the channel. A little bit of a different one. Switched up a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Unbelievably good. Cook some steamed rice with it. I promise you won't be disappointed. That's amazing.